Hey YouTube, what's up? Marinol here. Just letting you all know this is a sponsored video, and today I'm looking at this Bluetooth speaker. I guess you would have noticed you can't hear the excitement in my voice, and there's a reason for that. So when I looked at the specs of the speaker, I thought, these are pretty good. It's 20 watts, dual passive radios. It's meant to have a decent bass output because it's got a digital sound processor. Well, I've been putting this review off for quite a while for the simple fact it's rubbish! It's absolutely rubbish. I'm sorry, but it doesn't get very loud. It has lack of bass, like little to no bass at all. And the only good thing about it is that I can throw it in a pool. I mean, like, that's cool and all, but that's not why I'm buying a Bluetooth speaker, is it? It's got, yeah, I'm really not excited about this, eh? You got your power button, your up, down, volume, power input on the back. That's basically about it. It's nicely sealed, I'll give it that. It looks nice. Like, it does look pretty nice. Leads you a better closer view. It said it's very strong. I dropped it from my pocket height and it left a nice dent in it, so yeah, it's not as strong as they claim it is, are they? It can sit like this, or it can sit like that. So all the reviews of the speaker, everyone was like, oh, it's got so much bass, or it's so loud. Like, I wrote to AncordWorks before I made this, actually weeks ago, and they really didn't say anything to me, like, oh, it must just be you. I'm like, excuse me, I got a $39 Bluetooth speaker I got from a discount store. That's an off-brand that sounds far better, and it's like quarter of the price, so please explain. Oh, but it's not waterproof. I'm like, it's not hard to make a speaker waterproof anymore, but it's something that a lot of Bluetooth speakers have now, so that's not really something to brag about, is it? So yeah, I'm very disappointed because all the reviews and everything, people are going, yeah, it's so good. I'm like, it's rubbish. There's no high frequencies. It's got a higher frequency cut than my Bose system has. That's pretty severe. That's about 16,000 hertz. Theirs seems to cut off at about 15 kilohertz, and the bass, don't expect anything below 150 hertz because it just ain't there. Alright, I think we should have a closer look at this. So, let's do a sound test. I've got the Bluetooth speaker connected to my iMac, and I'm just going to play some music. And then I'm going to switch to the speakers in the iMac. I don't know if you can hear that as well as I can, but there's no high frequency there because if I switch to the iMac speakers, there's a much better sense of high frequencies there. There's even more bass, and these have little, tiny little speakers inside the thing. They're nothing special. I mean, they're pretty good for a computer. Like, yeah, alright, let's do loudness. Alright, so it's up there. It's about 3 meters away. I'm going to take the maximum volume. That's it. That's all it's got. I can comfortably talk over it. So there should be a pretty good bass note there. It's not there. There's no high frequencies. Very cut off. And I can easily talk over it, not that loudly either. Like, I'm not talking well at the moment. That's all it's got. That's flat out. It's just not loud. And in this size room, like, even my little Mocky speaker can fill it up pretty well, but, this thing can't. It's ridiculous. Well, here comes the fun part. We're going to tear into it and see what's inside. Alright, let's see what we get. Okay. It looks a little bit stronger than I'd expect. Hang on a minute. Alright, so you gotta peel off the plastic apparently. Yay. That makes everything really easy. And I'm using the wrong screwdriver, but I can't find the right one, so... it's actually right in the packet. So you gotta take off these plastic bits, and then you can get into it. This is a microphone. That's nice. Alright, so it's coming up. Alright, I found one redeeming quality. It's not that hard to take apart. That's a great quality for a speaker, isn't it? It's not hard. Okay, we've got different coloured screws here. That's weird. We got a silver one up here. A black one here. This is great. This is getting better and better. I'm wondering if I'm going to like what I'm going to find inside. Alright, now, if I've done this correctly, which I probably haven't. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So it just looks like that now. Cool. So now I gotta take out some more screws. Yep, I tried to get into it the wrong way apparently. But what can I say? I'm not an engineer. Yeah, god damn. One screw is tight, one screw is loose. Probably say it's vibration or something. I'll get back to you. Some nice excursion. Oh, but wait, that's maximum volume. 8, 3. It's barely doing anything. It barely does anything. Oh, that's the weirdest thing. Like, alright, so we'll go to frequency sweep. It was strong there at 130. And yeah, it's becoming inaudible. That's it, 70 hertz, 60. Look at that. It does nothing. Well, yeah. So even at maximum volume, even on the computer, this thing's absolutely flat out. Speakers maxed out, and some people are gonna say I didn't.
Maximum volume.
So that's as loud as it goes. And yeah, it doesn't do anything. The bass cutout gets way too serious, way too quick. Nice big passive radiators, but yeah, I mean, oh, I got some rust. That's lovely. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. I don't know if that's the speaker itself or the design of the processor or what, but it doesn't do anything. Let's try a different bass test.
Sure to disengage, and they will not be necessary for this track.
I ain't got a bass boost on it. We got a bit of movement, but it's right up in the high frequencies. That looks cool, doesn't it? Look at that. You can hear it goes woo. Yeah, that's distortion kicking in. Considering it's meant to have some sort of processor to stop that, I mean, it gets away with itself real quick. It's got these cool little things on the speaker though, and it dimples when you push on it. And if you can hear that, there's an air leak from this driver, which may be affecting its bass response, but still it lacks power, so it's not going to have anything. It's meant to be 10 watts each speaker, so 20 watts total, but I mean, I got 3 watt speakers, which are much louder than this thing. More excursion time. Oh, it gets nasty. See, it does that in music too. It gets real nasty. And it's not very loud. Anyway, let's do something else. Alright, we're in a bit deeper. So, they've done a relatively good job at sealing the speaker off, but yeah, it's like they just went nuts of hot snot over here. So we do have dual batteries, as it claims, which is nice. These speakers don't look like speakers that could handle how much power they claim it does, but it's very tightly packed in here. Like, there's really not much space for anything to happen. Boop, 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 boop. I can't help myself and make noises. Decent looking amplifier board. Maybe we can get that out. No, we cannot. They have glued that in there real good. Let's do some excursion.
Paired.
Thank you. Come on. Now we can see some nice flex. Ooh. There we go. Ooh. So, in conclusion, for almost $100, I can't recommend this. It doesn't sound very good. Speakers look nice, but they kind of look like any generic Chinese driver except for this cone. It's nicely sealed, dual batteries, yeah, but they're in parallel, so they're not doubling the voltage or anything. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.